Imagine being able to create UGC videos, viral story videos, AI videos, UGC ads, images, websites, and even apps in just a few minutes using one tool. That is what I'll be showing you in this video with Supercool. Supercool is an AI platform that brings different creative tools into one place. You can use it to generate images, create videos, make talking avatars, produce UGC-style ads, create music, and explore other AI-powered features. In this walkthrough, I'll focus mainly on the UGC ads and talking character feature, because this is one of the most useful parts of the platform for content creators, YouTubers, marketers, and digital creators. With this feature, you can create realistic avatar-style videos from a simple script. You can use these videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, product explainers, marketing videos, or even faceless content. Once you log in to Supercool, you'll see different creative tools on the dashboard. The platform is designed in a way that makes the process simple. You choose what you want to create, enter your prompt or script, select the right model, and then generate your content. Before we continue, let me quickly mention something important about AI-generated content. A lot of people still think AI videos cannot be monetized on YouTube, but that is not exactly true. What matters most is the value of the video. If your video is low effort, repetitive, misleading, or just random AI-generated content without any clear purpose, then it may not meet platform standards. But if you use AI to create useful, educational, entertaining, or well-structured content, then you are adding value. Also, when required, YouTube allows creators to disclose if parts of a video were created or altered using AI. So the goal is not to hide the use of AI. The goal is to use it responsibly and create content that is actually useful to your audience. In this walkthrough, we are not creating random AI content. We are creating structured UGC-style videos and avatar-based content that can be used across different social media platforms. Now, let's go into the main workflow. The first step is to create the image or character you want to use for your video. Inside Supercool, go to the image generation section. Here, you can choose from the available image models and write a prompt describing the type of character you want. For example, you can create a female podcast host, a male presenter, a business coach, a tech reviewer, a lifestyle creator, or any other type of character that fits your content. Your prompt should be simple and clear. For example, you can write, create a realistic female podcast host sitting in a modern studio, looking at the camera, with professional lighting and a natural expression. After entering the prompt, click Generate and wait for the image to be created. Once the image is ready, check if it matches the style you want. If it does not, you can adjust the prompt and generate another version until you get a result that works for your video. This image will become your avatar or character. The next step is to animate the image. Go to the talking character section. From there, upload or select the image you just created. Next, choose the animation model or talking character option available inside Supercool. After that, select the voice you want your character to use. Depending on your video style, you can choose a friendly voice, a professional voice, a casual voice, a male voice, or a female voice. Once you choose the voice, paste the script you want the avatar to say. This script can be for a product review, a short educational video, a marketing ad, a YouTube short, a TikTok video, an Instagram reel, a business promotion, or a simple explainer video. To make the video feel more natural, you can also add small details like pauses, hand movements, or a more conversational tone. This helps the avatar feel more realistic and less robotic. For example, if I want to create a short UGC-style video for a productivity app, I can write, I used to spend so much time trying to organize my daily tasks, but this app made everything easier. I can plan my day, track my progress, and stay focused without feeling overwhelmed. If you struggle with productivity, this is definitely something worth checking out. Once the script is ready, paste it into the text box and click Generate. Supercool will then create a talking avatar video using your image, selected voice, and script. After the video is generated, play it back and review the result. Check if the voice sounds natural, if the mouth movement matches the speech, and if the avatar looks good enough for the type of content you want to create. Also check if the message is clear and if the video is suitable for the platform where you want to post it. If everything looks good, you can download the video and use it in your content. If not, you can adjust the script, change the voice, or regenerate the video. This is one of the benefits of using an AI tool like this. You can test different versions quickly until you get the result you want. As a YouTuber or content creator, there are different ways you can use this type of AI-generated video. You can create short educational videos, faceless channel content, product explainers, social media clips, UGC-style marketing videos, tutorial-style shorts, or avatar presenters for niche pages. For example, if you create content around tech, finance, health, beauty, business, or online tools, you can use avatar videos to explain tips, review products, or share simple information with your audience. The key is to make sure the content is still useful. Don't just generate videos for the sake of posting. Make sure your script is clear, helpful, and targeted to the people you want to reach. A lot of pages on Instagram and TikTok are growing by posting short UGC-style videos. The process is usually simple. Pick a niche, write a short script, generate or choose an avatar, add a realistic voice, generate the video, add captions, and post consistently. You can use this same approach for different types of content, including AI tools, business tips, product recommendations, motivation, health tips, tech reviews, app reviews, beauty products, and online business ideas. Apart from UGC ads and talking characters, Supercool also has other tools you can explore. You can generate images for thumbnails, social media posts, product concepts, character designs, and marketing graphics. You can also explore the video generation tools if you want to create more dynamic AI video clips. So the basic workflow is simple. Generate your image or avatar, choose the talking character feature, select a voice, paste your script, add movements or adjustments if needed, generate the video, review the result, and download it. AI tools like this can save time, especially if you create a lot of content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or marketing campaigns. But remember, the tool is only part of the process. The most important thing is still the idea, the script, and the value you are giving to your audience. So that's a simple walkthrough of how to use Supercool to create AI UGC-style videos and talking avatar content. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more tutorials on AI tools, content creation, and online business. I'll see you in the next video.